Well, hey everybody. This year at Moore Expo, there was close to 300 vendors. And there were some big brands there, and there are also a lot of smaller mom and pop type operations. And as I walked around the expo, a lot of these smaller businesses really caught my eye. So I thought what I would do is give them a chance to have a few minutes and tell you guys what they have to offer if you weren't able to be down there. Now, some of these products are pretty cool. In fact, most of them are pretty cool, but some are going to be really nice if you're going to be camping in northern Wisconsin or Minnesota. So stick around, give them a listen, and find out if it's something that you'd like to put in your camping kit or in your overland kit. I wasn't compensated for anything. I just thought I'd give them a chance to share with you what they have to offer if you weren't able to attend.
This is Overland Chef, so I'm the chef. We started this brand a couple of years ago, and it was really just about setting aside the crazy stress of the restaurant industry. I've been in restaurants my entire life, and renewing the passion for cooking and the setting of the great outdoors. And it was really like rejuvenating and exciting. And so I actually left the restaurant industry a couple years ago and just decided to dive headfirst in this full time, doing a lot of like adventure cooking, catering for groups, showing up at the expos and connecting with people, especially centered around the love of food and the great outdoors. I mean, everyone, universally says that's the best part of camping is the food, and it's the stories that you tell around a campfire and all of that. So what's going on, man? So we decided to start curating all of the products that we use on our trips that are tried and tested and true, that are really durable, and because we take a lot of bangs and the terrain and stuff that we take our cooking to. So all this is like literally what we bring with us and cook with on a daily basis, and it's really some solid stuff. And we've got some of our own products that we've kind of helped pioneer and create that are coming to market now, in addition to all these other ones. So alright, so this is my 21 Tacoma. That is a purpose-built kitchen on wheels. It's been through many iterations, and this is sort of like the final boss version of it. It's got just about everything you can do to a Tacoma on it, and it's all centered around cooking. So initially it was just the Tacoma. We also have this rustic mountain overland trailer with our full kitchen in it. The trailer used to be in the truck until we got the trailer, built it out, decided to center the kitchen more around the trailer, and this has been sort of like a lot of storage, so we're able to cook for large groups. Out of this truck and our trailer setup, we've cooked for like 150 people, 150 person wedding at one point. We do hundreds of people when we do demos and samples and things like that. We've done food and wine festival events out of it. It's a lot of fun. It's got everything you need, power, running water, all the lighting to cook at night. We carry around a ton of gear, propane, especially when we're out west and there's a lot of fire bans, but anytime we get a chance to, we love to do open fire cooking with cast iron and real wood and all that kind of stuff. So we're really set up to do just about anything. We even take around pizza ovens with us and cook pizzas out in the wild and things like that. So yeah, it's a lot of fun. Check us out on Instagram, Overland Chef. Go to our website, overlandchef.com, where you can find all of the gear, our granola. We've got a lot of fun, exciting news to announce later this year that I think a lot of people are really going to love.
Hi, I'm Dan Drake with O3 Outdoors. I want to talk a little bit about our products we have the show today. First of all, this is a system to take care of all the funky smells you might have in the outdoors, from sitting around a campfire and getting smoke on your jacket, your pants, to long hikes, to stinky shoes. You can take them all off, put them in this bag here, turn on this system, 15 minutes, it's all clean. We use a NASA-based ozone to take all the stink and bacteria out of the gear. We've done it about 10 years now in hockey, football, soccer, really stinky stuff in the world. We started in 03 outdoors a couple years ago, just kind of help outside people extend their gear from 2 days to 14, taking less gear or taking care of the smells they might have, dogs, kids, funky food smells, rooftop tents that you close when it's wet, it's stinky, you put it in there, seal it up, turn this unit on here, in an hour it's all clean. Everything inside your trailer, tent, all those. So if you have any questions, go to 03outdoors.com or look at more of our products as we go today. So thanks so much, appreciate it.
Hey everybody, my name is Ryan with Seasucker. We are here at Moore Expo. We're in the West Hall, booth 51. Love to have you come by, but wanted to give you a quick rundown kind of what we have here to showcase. So here behind us is a 2019 4Runner. Everything that you see on it is vacuum mounted, including the rooftop tent. Nothing is permanently affixed, drilled, bolted onto the vehicle, and really exciting to showcase. This is a first new item that we're showing for the first time. This is the Moonshade via Seasucker. So it is secured and powered by Seasucker. It is a instant awning, super small, throw it right in the back seat and you have instant shade, which is pretty awesome. But to show you some other items from Seasucker, this is our universal off-road mount, flag poles, shovels, anything like that. Of course, we have our roto mounts, again, all vacuum mounted. And again, if I give it a nice shake, not going anywhere. Moving down the vehicle here, of course, we have our 2-cup holder, paper towel holder, which is very, very popular. Our brand new kitchen station V2. It has an expandable table, cooktop, Coleman, Eureka station, anything you'd like, which is great. Here is our party barge. Party barge is a really fun product. Get everybody around the vehicle, camping, put a bunch of drinks, whatever you like, which is really, really fun. And moving up front, a couple of other items. This is our Jeep mirror, or just a utility mirror, universal mirror, which is really fun. GMRS antenna, so for all the Jeep guys with our middle-end radios or whatever it may be, it's a dual band antenna, which is really cool. So yeah, recovery boards. Oops, I'm sorry. If you want to spin around here, sorry, we have our recycle waistband. So gets the trash up off the ground, mounted to the side of the RV, teardrop, a Jeep. You want to spin it. Here's our universal recovery boards. Again, really nice. Instead of mounting up on the roof, you can just directly vacuum it right to the side of your travel trailer, Jeep, etc. Now, going over here, we'll show you more. What do we have here? A couple moon shades. If you want to spin back, this is our shower caddy. This is really cool. It's kind of a dual purpose item. Spice rack, shower caddy, whatever you might like, which is really, really fun. Toilet paper holder. And a little dark in here, I know, I'm sorry. But this is our collaboration with Waterport. It's a Waterport Seasucker, so you can carry your 4 gallons. It's a solar shower. So I want to show you how the Seasuckers work. They're really easy. Being a vacuum mount, just go and press, and you're going to keep pumping the plunger until the orange indicator band is fully depressed. Once it's fully depressed, you see no orange, you have over 120 pounds of pull force, not affected by weather, temperature, or humidity. Once they're on, they're on. You can reach us at seasucker.com or at our customer service line. That telephone number is 941-900-1850. And again, my name is Ryan.
How's it going, guys? This is Sean from Breze. We're at the Moore Expo. This is the Breze Mark II portable air conditioner. And this one is perfect for the tent, rooftop tent, small trailer, even van. So it comes with its own battery. This battery runs about 5 to 6 hours. And the air conditioner comes with the exhaust as well. That's the exhaust. You just put the hose over here, so take the heat out. And this is a true air conditioner. It comes with the compressor, evaporator, and condenser. And it only weighs about 16 pounds, the AC. And with the battery, it's about 30 pounds. And also you can plug in into your power bank, power station, anything you want to use it to power. You can reach out to us at zerobreze.com.
So I'm with the Ratchet Wranglers, and it's an organizational device that we created to help with ratchet straps. The way this works is we have this neoprene pouch here that the ratchet strap goes into. So when you need the ratchet strap, you simply take the hook out of the hole and you pull the ratchet strap out of the bag. It comes out wrinkle-free and tangle-free every time. After you're finished using the ratchet strap, you put the ratchet mechanism into the bag, and then very quickly and very simply you just wrap this around your hand. You can wad it up, you can fold it up, you can do whatever you want to do to get that into a nice concise little wrap, and then you stuff it into the bag like so. The hook goes through a hole in the bag at the top. That prevents the hook from falling into the bag and tangling, and then you have it all ready to go every time you need it. You can throw it in the back of your truck, under your seat, in the trailer that you work in. You can throw it in the farmer's field or whatever, it doesn't matter. It's always going to be compressed inside of there, and when you need it next time, all you have to do is pull the hook out, and just like we showed before, it comes out tangle-free every time. We're on the internet at ratchetwrangler.com, and you can contact us there or look us up. We sell them 3 for $20.
So I am Lisa with Tech Labs. We make the Technew line of products. Technew has been around since the 60s. This is our original cleanser. So this works to remove the oil that causes poison oak and ivy rash. You can use it on your skin, your tools. It actually also removes skunk oil. You can use it on your pets. So you would apply this for a couple of minutes and then you would rinse it off or wipe it off. We also have Calogel, which is an anti-itch gel. So after you use Technew, if you have a poison ivy rash, you would apply Calogel. This will treat the itch and the symptoms of your rash. It helps dry it up and helps your rash start to heal. These were original products. Then we moved on to Technew Extreme. Technew Extreme is a exfoliating scrub. A lot of people just keep this one in their shower. It's an all-over body wash that will remove the poison oak and ivy oils. It's a deeper cleanse, so a lot of people can go longer before they wash the oils off and still prevent a rash. We also have Rash Relief Spray. This is a homeopathic spray. This is great if you have a bad rash and you don't want to touch it with your hands. It has Grindalia robusta, which helps stop the itching and pain. And then it also has calendula in it, which helps prevent scarring and helps your body heal. So a lot of people like that item for the pain and itch relief. And then our newest product is our detox wipes. They're individually wrapped and you can use them anywhere and anytime to wipe off the oil that causes the rash. They can also be used on tools, equipment, and also your pets, like your dog, if they run through it. And it will help you either prevent a rash or contain it if you have one starting. You can buy our products at tecnu.com, or they're actually also sold in drugstores, so CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, Rite Aid, and other regional stores.
Well, there you have it. That's just a small flavor of the things that you can find at Moore Expo. It is a great event to attend if you get a chance. It's going to happen again in 365 days, so get your projects in mind and think about what you want to get, and maybe we'll see you down in Springfield next year. Until then, you guys take it easy, and I'll see you down the road.